Guys, what's up? Today we are installing a hot water heater with a recirculating pump at this location. It's a reasonably large sized house, and what we're going to do is where the kitchen sink is at, we're going to install this recirculating pump. So what do we got going on here?
Well, we just put in a new 50-gallon propane water heater for this gentleman here. And if you can look, this house is quite large. So there's a very long run going down to the upstairs bathroom. So one of his biggest problems is he was getting low pressure in his hot line. So basically what happened, he had a whole old water heater. The dielectric union was basically corroded shut. We could have replaced that, but the water heater itself was old, so the customer decided to just replace the water heater. This is a solution for people where the water takes a long time to get there. This is called a recirculating pump. What this does, it recircs the water that has cooled down in your hot line and puts it back into the tank to get heated up. So it puts new, fresh, hot water in that line. So whenever you go to turn on the faucet, hot water comes out in like 2 seconds. It's great. But you can see here these, if you want to go and get a look at that, they have dip switches, so you can set it to when it's on and when it's off, or you can just have it work on the entire time. But if you're getting, you got that? If you're getting a minute, 45 seconds to a minute to get hot water, this is a great solution for you. And they're pretty simple install, so it's not going to be, a lot of time in your house. We can do this pretty quick. So.